Salam alaikum, sister. Let's get real about the digital closet you hide in. The 2 a.m. scroll on your phone, fingers trembling as you swipe left and right on strange men's faces, then frantically deleting the app before your kids wake up. Crafting a bio that hides the truth, loves long walks instead of traumatized single moms surviving on caffeine and fear. The sinking feeling when you message a potential Assalamu alaikum and have to type the words, I'm divorced with kids, watching the 3 typing dots disappear forever. This isn't searching for love. This is a daily ritual of humiliation, reinforcing the screaming lie in your head. You are damaged goods. No one will ever want you again. If you've ever cried after closing a dating app, this is your intervention. Share this privately with a sister you know is secretly swiping through shame. This secret hell is a special kind of torture. You're caught between a God-given desire for companionship, Allah says in Surah Ar-Rum, and of His signs is that He created for you from yourselves mates that you may find tranquility in them. And a cultural reality that makes you feel like a sinner for wanting that tranquility again. The halal process feels like a cruel joke, leaving you in a digital wasteland where you're judged as used or too much baggage. Every ghosting, every unmatched chat, every brother who says, I'm looking for someone simpler is a knife to the self-worth you're desperately trying to rebuild. You're not just looking for a partner, you're fighting the internalized belief that divorce made you worthless. This shame is a cage, and it's starving your heart. You cannot find a healthy partner from a place of hidden shame and desperation. You must rebuild your sacred worth first. This is the entire purpose of the Unshakeable Worth and Dignity Foundation inside, the 10-day mental health boost for divorced Muslim moms. We don't start with profile tips. We start with soul surgery. The guide provides Quranic worthiness immersion, using specific verses that affirm your inherent, unchangeable value in the sight of Allah, value that no marital status can touch. You'll complete the non-negotiables blueprint to clarify what you truly need and deserve from a place of power, not poverty of spirit. You'll get scripts to gracefully handle intrusive questions and protect your energy. Most crucially, you'll develop the mindset to approach any potential connection from a place of wholeness, where rejection is merely a sign of misalignment, not a measure of your worth. This work ensures that if, and when you step back into the search, you do so as a queen discerning her king, not a beggar hoping for scraps. The investment to shatter this shame cage and build an identity so solid no app can shake it is $49.99. Measure this against the cost of nightly humiliation, the erosion of your confidence, and the danger of settling for less just to end the loneliness. This $49.99 is the price of your personal sovereignty. It's the investment in becoming the woman who chooses from a throne of self-respect, not from the knees of desperation. Your path out of the shame closet and into your own divine light starts with one defiant decision. Step 1. Pause this video. Delete the app from your phone right now. Not forever, but for now. Step 2. Click the first link in the description below. Your guide to Unshakable Worth is your real profile. Step 3. Go to the secure checkout. Invest $49.99 in your most important relationship, the one with yourself. Step 4. Get instant access. Tomorrow, begin the Quranic worthiness immersion. Rebuild your foundation. Stop swiping for validation. Start building a self that no one can invalidate. Click the link. Get your guide. Your era of dignified wholeness begins today. Salam alaikum.